The major organ of the urinary system is the kidney. There's an outer connective tissue capsule on the surface of the kidney, and you can see the capsule pulled away here. And as we scan in this denser outer surface, this is the cortex of the kidney. As we scan toward the deep surface, this is the lighter medulla of the kidney. The medulla ends at the tip of a pyramid, and this structure here is a funnel-shaped calyx, which collects the urine that's released from the tip of the pyramid. If we go back to the cortex and look here at a higher power, we'll see the functional unit of the kidney called the renal corpuscle. And here's a renal corpuscle here. This structure, circular structure, if we look at it on higher power, we see that there is a simple squamous epithelium outer covering, and that's the wall of Bowman's capsule. Here's a simple squamous epithelium covering the capillaries. This is called the glomerulus, the capillary ball. Here's a space called Bowman's cup. Those are the three major structures of the renal corpuscle. These are tubules, and these darker or more reddish stained are proximal convoluted tubules made up of cuboidal shaped cells. Here's one here. This would be sort of an oblique cut, and this would be more of a circular or transverse cut, cuboidal cells. Proximal convoluted tubules staining more densely pink or eosinophilic. These lighter staining tubules are the distal convoluted tubules. So here's a lighter staining distal convoluted tubule cut longitudinally, and right next to it a darker staining proximal convoluted tubule. If we scan down into the medulla, we see longitudinal cuts of these papillary ducts, and these papillary ducts are lined with columnar epithelium. There's the basement membrane, the lumen of the duct, and this all the nuclei lined up in a row. This is distinctly columnar epithelium in the papillary duct. We go on down into the calyx and look at the epithelium on the calyx. Here's the basement membrane of the calyx, here's the surface, and this is lined with transitional epithelium, about 6 cell layers thick, and the characteristic balloon cell on the top of the transitional epithelium on the calyx of the kidney.